Okay, so you are welcome to JK Forex Academy. So today I want to give you a brief overview of what the whole Forex Academy is all about. And they say Forex trading, or we hear of people talking about foreign exchange market. What does it mean and what do they do? Okay. So when they talk about the foreign exchange market, this is what they do. They are also known as the foreign forex market. Okay, it's a decentralized market. For instance, you travel to the US, then you are from Ghana, you need to change your Ghana cedi to the United States dollar, or you are traveling from US to Ghana, you need to change your dollars into Ghana cedi. So in the process of doing that, you are trading in currencies. So this similar thing that happen in the forex trading market. Now the nice thing about this market is that it's virtual. You do it with your PC. Okay, so for instance, uh, every currency and its economy are directly related. So if you understand the economy of certain nations, it's easy to trade their currency, or it is easy to predict whether their currency is going to be strong against another currency. There are other things that happen in a country that determine the strength or the weakness of their currency. An example is political events. When there are politics, people talking about their manifestos and all that, it affects the strength of their currencies. Another thing that affects their currencies are their interest rates, their inflation rates, their GDPs. So all those things come into play when it comes to forex trading. Okay, so that is the whole forex trading about. It's about buying a cheaper currency and selling an expensive currency. Okay, buying this market is a pair, they pair two currencies. So as we move on, you will get to understand. So the foundation of the forex trading market is that when you see a currency moving up, it just means that the currency is strong. Or so on your platform or on the trading platform, you say you are buying that currency. Okay, and then when you see a currency to be small or coming down, you say that currency is weak, or you are selling that currency. So that's the basic, or that's the fundamentals of it. Okay, so for instance, this is a chart showing how the thing works. Okay, so when you look at from here, you see that the currency was moving up. It's moving up, meaning that they are buying a currency. Okay, and then the ones that are coming down from here, meaning they are selling a particular currency. Okay, so this side they are selling, and then this side they are buying the currency. So that's the foundation of the whole forex thing. Okay, so we will continue. So one may ask, how do he or she trade in the forex market? Okay, so you need some basic tools that you need to be able to start this trading. Okay, you need a laptop or a smartphone which you will use for your trading activities. And then you also need money. You need money because money is very important. That's what you use your initial deposit. And I wrote $500 here, but it can come lower than it or higher than it, depending on you. You need internet because it's virtual. Everything that you do in that market is on the internet. Okay, you need a bank statement to be able to verify your account. So you'll be verifying your account, which needs a bank statement. You need a Visa card for your withdrawal and your deposits. And then you need a passport or a health insurance to verify your identity with your broker. I'll talk about the broker later, but these are the basic things that you need to be able to start a successful forex trading. There is one important thing that I didn't mention, which is the tutorial. You need to know If you don't know, you can't trade. So the most important among all these things that I've mentioned is the education. You need the tutorial, you need education. Okay. Yeah, so as I explained earlier on, these are the things that you need. You need a laptop, a working internet, you need a bank statement, you need a visa card, you need a passport. So all these are to verify your trading platform or to verify your trading account so that you'll be able to trade in the forex trading market. Yeah, so before you start thinking of trading, you need a broker. A broker is a link or an intermediate between you and the central bank. So when you buy a currency or you sell a currency from your PC, the order is supposed to be taken from the central bank, and your broker is what help you do that. Okay, your broker is just like your bank account where your monies will be kept. When you want to withdraw, you withdraw from your broker. When you want to deposit, you deposit from your broker as well. So there are several brokers around. We have some that are not licensed. So it's very important to know the broker you are using, because there are a lot of unlicensed brokers around. Okay. Now the trading platform, we have different types of trading platforms. We have the MT4, which is the MetaTrader 4. Then we have the MT5, which is the latest one from MetaTrader 5. Most people use the MetaTrader 4 because of the user friendly and it's easy to use. Okay, so this is the interface of the MetaTrader 4. So this is how it looks like. So this is how the currency pairs look like. So they combine different currencies. So you can see that this is USD/CHF. Then you have GBP/USD, meaning that the British pound against the US dollar. So this is just an overview. So I'm just showing you how the whole forex thing, or what the whole forex thing is all about. Okay, so also before you try to become a trader, you need to determine the kind of trader you want to be. We have scalpers who trade for short time. We have day traders who enter the trade and close them at the end of the day. And then we have swing traders who leave their trade for days and weeks. We have position traders who leave them for maybe a year and all that. So it all depends on you. You have to know yourself to know whether you will be a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader. It is very important. You have to know all these things before you try to be a forex trader. So these are some of the things you have to know. The forex trading market is made up of about 25% technical analysis, and then 50%, 5% fundamental, and the rest is about your psychology, your risk management, and how greedy you are, and how patient you are as well. So when you are very greedy, you might lose a lot of money in this forex trading market. If you are a patient person, it is with a high probability that you do well when it comes to forex trading. That's if you are patient. Now with the news, which most people overlook, the engine of the forex trading market is the fundamental, the GDPs, the inflation rate, the interest rate, the news, the elections. Those are the drivers of the economy or the currency. For instance, right now that there is COVID-19, that's a fundamental impact on currencies, because most economies are breaking down because of the government's policies against the COVID-19. So looking at the fundamentals around a country can tell you whether their currency is going to be strong in the near future or is going to be very weak. Okay. So I'll stop this one here, and then we will continue some another time. Okay. Some of you will be willing to hear me talk about the monetary aspect of it. Forex, there is a lot of money here. There is a lot of money here, but I don't want to talk about money. I want you to have the desire to learn. If you have the desire to learn, then you'll be paid. Okay? But I want to tell you that there is no job that can pay you more than this. So I'm leaving this one here. So bye bye. Thank you. So you can look at the description. There is a link to the broker. You register with that broker because it's one of the licensed brokers. Okay? Then you subscribe and you leave your comments and you click the like button to tell YouTube this is a quality content. Okay? Yeah. We'll meet again.